Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss a paragraph which will cover some reaction of alkynes and that will help you in analysis of reactions which may come in competitive examination. The paragraph is like this. A hydrocarbon X with molecular formula C4H6 on hydroboration oxidation give an aldehyde Y, and on oxymercuration demercuration give ketone Z. Compound Y and Z are the functional isomers. Compound X on treatment with HCl give compound P, and on treatment with HCl give compound Q. These are some types of questions which might come in the comprehensive examination of IIT or International Chemistry Olympiad. To solve such question of paragraph, you must first make a equation of that language which is written in the question, and after making the equation you will easily understand what is asked in the question. So in question it is said a hydrocarbon X, that means you have a hydrocarbon X with molecular formula C4H6 on hydroboration oxidation give an aldehyde Y, and on oxymercuration demercuration give ketone Z. This is an aldehyde, and this one is a ketone. Okay. Compound Y and Z are the functional isomers. This Y and Z are the functional isomers. Compound X on treatment with HCl. Compound X on treatment with HOCl give compound P, and on treatment with HCl and on treatment with HCl give compound Q. And it is asked what is the structure of X, Y, Z, P and Q. Listen, whenever there is molecular formula in the question, you first make a structure, and after making the structure you can easily solve the question. When there is molecular formula in the question, so first think for degree of unsaturation. The degree of unsaturation means the hydrogen deficiency from which any compound which are formed by losing any hydrogen molecule from acyclic saturated hydrocarbon, that is alkane. To find out du, always remember the formula 2C plus 2 minus H minus X plus N divided by 2. Those atoms which is used in this are considered, while those atoms which is not used, so leave that part. So in this case here is C4H6. So you have to consider carbon and hydrogen, and you have to leave halogen and nitrogen. So double the number of carbon, that is 8 plus 2, 10 minus 6, 4 by 2, that means the du comes to be 2. If the du comes to be 2, that means it may have one triple bond, it may have two double bond, it may have one ring plus one double bond, or it may have two rings. But in the question it is said that C4H6 which on hydroboration oxidation give Y, which is an aldehyde. If it is an aldehyde, that means it must be an alkyne. Clear? Double bond cannot give aldehyde as a product, and ring double bond also will not give, and ring two rings does not give any reaction with this hydroboration oxidation. So from this, as the product is Y aldehyde, so you have to consider a triple bond. Now first you have to find out du. It tells it is a triple bond. So for making a triple bond, you first draw the skeleton of carbon. If the carbon is 4, the skeleton may be like this, or the skeleton may be like this. But you cannot place triple bond over this position, so leave this as such. You can place triple bond over this position or you can place over this position. So two triple bonded compounds are possible. One is like this and one is like this. But as the product is aldehyde Y, so you cannot use this alkyne because on hydroboration oxidation this will give ketone. So leave this. So the structure of X is but1-ine, and this but1-ine on hydroboration oxidation is simply the addition of water following Markovnikov rule but resemble anti-Markovnikov concept. So add OH and here H, again OH, H, and if a carbon have two OH group, remove a molecule of water, and after that the aldehyde will be formed as like this, butanol. This oxymercuration demercuration is also an addition of water following Markovnikov rule without rearrangement. So H, OH, H, OH, if same carbon have two OH group, leave a molecule of water, so the ketone will be like this. Here HOCl, in this case Cl is an electrophile while OH is a nucleophile. So attach Cl over this position, OH over this position, again Cl over this position and OH over this position. If same carbon have two OH group, then one molecule of water will goes out and our product again comes to be like this. And here for Q, two molecule of HCl must be added to this alkyne. So following Markovnikov rule, our product will be like this. So from this question, I have to ask how you can make structure from a given molecular formula. So to find out the structure from given molecular formula, you first make the use of this DU. This DU will clear-cut give picture whether you have to think triple bond to double bond, one ring with double bond or two rings. After finding out in which direction we have to go, then second thing you have to make the skeleton of carbon. Second, you have to make a skeleton of carbon, and after making the skeleton of carbon, take the help of chemically different hydrogen or position to make the triple bond or whatever the question is needed. So from this question, I have discussed many concepts. So good luck for your future.